welcome back to the video. Hi babe, say hi.
What's up?
We look busted from the flow up, but guess where we're at? Girls, where are we?
Jamaica!
Yay! So we're on a vacay with the fam. This is our little Airbnb. I'll give you guys a little quick snippet, like a quick tour, but it's really nice here. We just got in not too long ago. We got in. But we're not really doing much today. My mom and my sister and my grandmother are here, so we're about to go see them. We'll take you guys with us. Yeah, but today was just travel day. We didn't really do much. We got food from what's the place called again, babe? What's the place called again? Scotchies? Scotchies. Yes, we got jerk chicken from Scotchies. But we're just here. We didn't even unpack or nothing. We're about to go see my mom, my grandma, my sister, because they're here too. Yeah, don't mind me. But we're about to step out. I guess when we get there, we will check in.
Oh, babes.
Hey y'all, good morning. Say good morning.
Good morning.
All right, so we're here. It's the next day. I know last night we said that we was gonna go to my mom's and we was gonna see everybody, but we just got caught up in the moment. I haven't seen my grandma in how long? I haven't seen my cousin. I haven't seen my family friend in how long? So we didn't take the camera out. So now it's the next day. And we have like a bunch of stuff. Why are you hiding?
We have an excursion coming up.
Yeah, we're going to Chukka Cove, Chukka Adventures. It's like they have a bunch of stuff we're gonna go. So we're all gonna go. My sister's gonna go. My cousin's gonna go. So we're just gonna go and have fun.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So we're just here. We're trying to get ready. Look at this one over here. Aaliyah, stop. This one's still in
the bed,
watching the iPad. Say hi, girls. Say good morning.
Like
she's not even. Yeah, she's like, leave me alone.
Low energy. Since she's been here, she's been low energy. Until she saw her little cousin.
Oh yeah. When she saw her cousins last night,
she was running around.
She was. I should have pulled the camera out, but I wasn't even in the mood. So this is us getting ready. Hubby's about to take a shower. We already took a shower, but we're here. Let's look outside. It was so nice to wake up to all this beauty this morning. Like, yes. So, let's look outside. Sorry if it's a little bright. But yeah, look at the mountains. Hold on, let me see if I can fix this a bit. There we go. There we go. It is so beautiful outside. It is so nice outside. I see a neighbor. I don't know these people, so I'm not gonna. So yeah, we're just here getting ready. I'm going to be bringing my cameras. I have this camera. Well, I don't think I'm gonna bring this camera, but we got a GoPro. Babe, where's the GoPro? You charging it?
Yep.
Yeah, we got a GoPro, so we're going to, oh God, don't mind me, the wrap. We're gonna take that, because we got it initially for the, wow, thank you. Not you, babe. I'll come back on here with you guys when we get to, well, I think I'll vlog on our way there. But listen, let me express this, because I haven't been back home in so long, which is my fault. Well, I think what it was, because I waited until the kids were a little bit older for me to take them so they can experience it. Oh my God, experience it better. So now that they're old enough, we're here, they're experiencing it, but I am so excited. Wait, what? Shut up. I got a new sub, y'all. Hold on, I don't know if y'all can see. Let me focus. Hold on. Sorry for missing my chest tickles. Hold on. We got a new subby. Shout outs to, hold on. Focus. 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 It's not focusing. It's not focusing. But I'll do a little screenshot and put it on the screen. So shout outs to my new subscriber, Tia Chanel Glam Shop. She just subscribed to the channel. Shout outs to you. I'll see you guys when we hit the road. Hey y'all, so we are en route. We got the babies in the background. Say hi, girls. We got my G over here driving.
What up,
These streets are crazy, I swear. I love my country. I really do. But these potholes though, they can kill a ninja, okay? Oh, look at the beach. It's like right over there. I don't know if y'all can see. We're trying to stay on the right side of the road, okay? Slow down, baby. Light's changing. You're going straight. The beach is over there. I don't know if y'all can see it. But we're like right on the coastline. Well, y'all know. There it is. We can't see. It's not focusing. Wait. Jesus. We gotta let the fire truck go. It's a good thing there was nobody behind us. There's the sea. There's the ocean. You see it? It's so beautiful, right?
It's so black at night. I didn't even realize.
You didn't even see it, right?
No.
Look, there's people over there in the water and stuff.
And we're like black abyss.
That's not ducks, baby. Those are people.
In the water.
Those are people in the water, baby, not ducks. No, it's people. She looked on the she looking in the water and she was like, ducks. No, baby, it's not ducks. It's actual people. We're back. So we have some bad news and some good news. So because of these two, say hi to my cousin. That's my little cousin right there.
You can't place the blame on.
I know it's not. No, I'm just kidding.
Yeah, she just want to blame game. No.
So no. Okay, so we booked an excursion with Chukka Adventures, right? So we thought that the one that was closest to us in Ocho Rios, that's the one that we were going to. But when we went there, that wasn't the case. So we had to reschedule. So we're gonna find something else for us to do. So we have the gang. We have the gang here. Hubby's driving. Hubby Sis is back there.
I almost killed me yesterday.
Yeah.
Exactly.
I didn't even have the camera. Wait, no, funny story. So when we left to go back home, right? We got back to the house, but we got lost. I don't know what happened.
So the place is bigger than we anticipated.
I know it is. Peter, yeah, we were out there. We were out there so long. So we're gonna find something else to do. But I'll keep you updated. But me the pan a mission. I wanna find some fruits. I want some Julie mango, some East Indian mango. Oh, I want bag juice.
You know,
Hello, well, this hard girl I drink bag juice. Want to you?
A few moments later.
There we go. Alright, I was gonna take her. Come here. No, I told you. No. Aliyah, stop. Come, let's go. I'll hold your hand. Come on, it's okay. Go. I know. Go, Aliyah. What is happening? Aliyah. That's what we told her. Aliyah, come. Step right here, baby. Wait. Step right here. Why not bring up on? We'll take turns. Pass it up. Hey girl.
So everybody over here chilling, eating some food. We're about to eat some food on the coast.
No,